Here's how you can use common household items to find out what your home's water service line is made of. A water service line is the pipe that brings drinking water from a water main into your home. It's important to find out if your home's service line is made of lead, because lead water pipes can leach lead into your household drinking water. The first step is to find the water service line in your home. This will be a pipe entering your home and may be attached to a water meter. This is also where you may be able to shut off the water to your house. If you can't locate your home's water service line, please contact your water system. Once you've located your water service line, you'll need a screwdriver and a magnet to determine the material your line is made of. There are 4 types of service line materials: copper, galvanized steel, plastic, and lead. Use the flat edge of a screwdriver to scratch the service line in an area before any valves or meters. If the scratched area appears to be copper in color, like a penny, the service line is made of copper. A magnet will not stick to a copper pipe. If the scratched area remains a dull gray color, the service line is made of galvanized steel. A galvanized pipe is very hard and not easily scratched. A strong magnet will stick to a galvanized steel pipe. A plastic service line is typically black or blue. You may easily recognize plastic pipes from metal pipes without a scratch test. However, if you need a scratch test, the scratched area stays the same color as the pipe itself. A magnet will not stick to plastic pipes. If the scratched area is shiny and silver, the service line is made of lead. Lead pipes are also softer and easier to scratch than copper or galvanized steel. A magnet will not stick to a lead pipe. The results of the scratch test are a good indicator of your service line material. Please share the results of this test with your water system. If you're still unsure what your water service line is made of, please contact your water system. If you don't have the contact information for your water system, or for more information, please visit www.health.ny.gov/drinkingwater.